Hey guys, it's Carson Kane here, and today I'm just going to be doing a review of my diesel and steam locomotives and doing a little test run on them, and here it goes. So I got a Conrail diesel. I'm not sure what it is, tell me in the description. I'm not that good with them, but I know what their names are and all that stuff. I got a Monon, a Rio Grande, I think it's called an F7. I'm not sure, tell me in the descriptions. I got two Amtrak F7A units with a dummy Amtrak B unit, a Southern Pacific, a Union Pacific, and then I got these. A Santa Fe. I got a Santa Fe. I forgot what my friend told me. It's a low nose, I think. It's a low nose diesel with another one right there. And I got this old Tyco Santa Fe low nose. And I think it's a long nose, probably. I'm not sure. I bet it is, but it's a Santa Fe low nose from Tyco with metal hand railings. It's good. I got a CSX low nose and an Alaska low nose. Also, I got a Burlington Northern low nose diesel, and I'm not sure what these are called. Short nose probably, but I got an Amtrak short nose and a Union Pacific short nose. And then I got two high nose Canadian Pacifics, a high nose Union Pacific. I think that's also a short nose, I'm not sure. A short nose Santa Fe, and now I'm onto my diesels. I got this 262 6789 Southern Pacific Daylight steam train, and with a nice tender, a Erie 080 steam switching engine. I lost this face when I took it to Eugene Toys and Hobby in Eugene, Oregon, and it came off somewhere, and I can't find it. It's probably there, I'm not sure. I looked all over my house, couldn't find it. And I got an AT&SF Santa Fe 04098 switch engine with metal hand railings, and then an 040 Santa Fe steam engine. I just got it last year, and got one dummy engine, my Norfolk Southern short nose diesel that my friend traded me, and I like it. It's really good. I like it in the yard. And now I'm going to be doing my test runs. I'm going to start with my diesels. Here it goes. I'm sorry, I meant my steam engines. I was thinking about diesels because I have a bunch of them. Anyways, here it goes. First off, my 040 Santa Fe switcher. I'm going to try it at full speed. Next up, my other 040 switching steam engine. The only ones that I haven't used for a while is my Conrail and this one, so these might not work well. Next up, my OAO Erie steam locomotive. Alright, here it goes. This area I haven't used for a bit either. Yeah, hold on a second. Alright, got it to work, here it goes. Now my Southern Pacific Daylight. Alright, here it goes. Now my Santa Fe. Alright, here it goes. Now my Union Pacific. Alright, here it goes. Now my Canadian Pacific. Alright, here it goes. Now my other Canadian Pacific. Now my Union Pacific. Alright, here it goes. Now my 350 Amtrak. Alright, here it goes. Now my Burlington Northern. Alright, here it goes. Now my Alaskan. Alright, here it goes. Alright, now I see CSX. Now my Santa Fe. Now my other Santa Fe. Now my Union Pacific. Now my Southern Pacific. Now my Amtrak. Now my other Amtrak. Now my Rio Grande. Now my Monon. Now my Conrail. Well, thank you for watching this video. I had to do it really fast because I only got a below 15-minute rate, and I have to go. I'll be getting a new Southern Pacific diesel soon. Until then, peace.